we're just about to leave the Picos to Europa hotel on the way to the ferry. So last day in Las Arenas. Absolutely chucked it down last night, all night. My seat's a bit wet, but it's red hot now. It's absolutely stifling hot, and it's only 9 o'clock in the morning. Well, we've arrived at the ferry port. I come off the motorway a bit sharp, and it took us all the way through Santander. I was panicking a bit just for the time, that's all. But we're getting here. Just going to check in there now, and we'll be on our way. Right, we're on the ferry back to Portsmouth, back from Santander. We're nearly there. Had a great holiday. I'm just going to pass it over to see what Gary thinks about it, even though he didn't really know where we were going. Okay.
Hola, buenos días. I did know where we were going, I knew all the while, but it was nice just to sit at the back and follow after all of Newton's hard work in planning everything, so we were just able to relax and follow a lead, which he's done a superb job. I think the main thing that I'll take away from the holiday is the fact that we haven't ridden all day into the sort of the late night time. We've done a half a day's riding, very technical riding on some of the roads, really enjoyed it. Then we've had some relaxation time afterwards. All I can say is we really need to plan it for next year, and maybe invite some of the other guys. Back to you.
I didn't really know how they would take it. I was hoping they were going to like it, and I'm pleased they have liked it, because my plan was to go to the Pyrenees, but they didn't want to ride around doing different hotels, so we stopped in the same spot, and I think we both thoroughly enjoyed it, Macca as well. But I'll try to get him to appear on the camera, but whether he does or not's another thing. Okay?
If you really want to, Newton, I'll tell you a story.
You needn't bother. Well, I've tried, but Macca doesn't want to participate, so we'll leave it at that.
Boo! Boo!
It'll not be long now before we get to Portsmouth, so we'll not be doing any filming on the way home, because it's all motorway, and we'll leave the holiday at that. And I hope you enjoy the videos when they come round.
Hasta luego.
Ciao. We're on the ferry going home. We're on the same ferry as we were coming. It's called the Santana, and although it takes 30 hours, it's a lovely way to travel. Very relaxing, and it's not the worst part of the journey at all, as some people might have you think. The meals on the ferry were absolutely lovely, first class, and there's plenty entertainment to keep you occupied throughout the journey. Well, thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed these films as much as we did making them. We had a good laugh, we enjoyed the holiday, and thanks to Gary for some of the footage where he supplied us. As I never had my camera on now and again, where Gary's run all the time, so we'll give him a round of applause for that. We'll give a mention to Macca as well. He was with us throughout. He did partake in the videos very often, but he was good to be around with. Thanks very much, Macca and Gary. Until the next time, we'll see you later. Bye now.